Good evening, all. Welcome back to Value Connect, and we are ready here to share our new views for Monday. We will particularly talk about one company who we've seen news since last more than 2 weeks. There were more news coming up for its upside targets, and immediately Kotak Bank shared their views about this company's internal policies or the transactions, financial transactions, and since then, the company has shown drastic price fall from 7,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees. So almost 3,000 rupees drops in last 15 days has been seen. The company's name is KAYNES Technologies, which is providing their solutions in IT sector, process design and engineering to all various sectors like defense, automotive, and engineering clients. So we will quickly have glance on KAYNES, what is going to happen. And so if we talk about KAYNES, this is not very old stock, listed in 2022 on the indices. We are seeing here monthly chart of KAYNES. So starting from 700 in 2022, in 2025, it reached almost to the highest price of 7,700, and then it came back to 4,400 4,000 rupees in March 25, and again hiked up to 7,593. Since last 3 months, we have seen drastic drop from 7,700 to 3,800. So almost half of the high price uh, has been seen in last 3 months. So just take a look on daily basis. How does it look like? Here we are with our view on KAYNES. This is like cup form somewhere in April 2025, cup and handle, which gave small breakout, and then from 6,200 it reached to 6,700 in 3 to 4 days time on daily basis, and again it went into consolidation phase up to July, August, and August 2025. So from May until July, it was in consolidation phase. What is consolidation phase? As we discussed in our last session, that um, stock doesn't show much movement downside or upside, and it keeps uh, ranging. It keeps trending or trading in the range. Say here we can see from 5,400 up to 6,500, and suddenly if we just try to make out uh, small picture or drawing here, we will see this was the resistance. It reached to the same level, dropped back, and reached here again in August 25, dropped slightly, retraced, and it made its way up in September 25. It broke all these resistances. Here we saw this was the upside started, fell here, and continuously it was in the range between 5,400 to 6,400. So almost 1,000 rupees price range was seen in last 4 months, or from May to September. From September, it made its way to 7,700, and we have seen such a big, huge fall here, which was trading at 3,800 early December, and now it is sustaining here. So, what should be our view? If we look at the volume, volume is almost dry for a long time. As I said, from May until September, it was just range bound, so we did not see much volume. But in last 15 days the volume is jumped like anything. We can see what is the volume here, almost in daily basis, ranging from 2 million until 18 million, and again it is coming back to 2.28, 2 million, 3 million per day. So volume is good. So based on volume and the patterns prepared so far or formed so far, we will try to find out the next move in it, and see what happens on Monday. If we can find out the entry level, we will enter slowly, because the price is like 4,100. So at a time we can start with one or at the most two shares, and we will see how it performs, and then decide the levels for adding up or wait for the next levels. So starting here, I will just have another line. The logic behind putting such lines, of course, if you are interested in joining the beginner session or technical analysis, how to analyze the stock technically, irrespective of the happening in the market or following any news channels or daily news, you can definitely do your own studies on technical grounds for any stock, and then you can prepare your charts accordingly. So I put one more line here and the next here, so we get at least some levels to see how the stock is trading between these levels. See here, the stabilizing the candle above this level, blue line, and started upward movement, again coming down. Next level, it is just going up, again coming down, and trying to break this level resistance of 5,300. So we try to analyze slowly. Here we take one trend line and it shows that it is on upside level, uptrending with supporting of trend line. Once the trend line is broken, we can see here the resistance here is broken and support is broken here, and it is again falling back to the last line which we have formed here at 3,900. So lately it was again trading at the same level and it has stabilized here. We convert it to 1 hour's time frame. It is always good for such price ranges. If we break down the timelines, we come to know what should be our best entry levels. I again go to form another resistance zone. Here I can see this is my resistance zone. Now what do I expect here? If it happens as per our expected level, see here, this has made head and shoulder on 1 hour basis, and I expect one move like this, because this is falling since last more than 15 days. So direct movement is possible, or the other way is it will go bit up, retrace, and then make its uptrend again, or it will again fall back, take the support here, tuck, tuck, and then up. So we have to see what are the best levels. For me, if the prices are crossing here at 4,200, 4,300 level, I think this should be good entry, and we can see the upcoming levels, rather we say our short-term targets. If we enter somewhere at 4,300, then we can talk about 4,500, 4,600. The next level 4,900, and then up level 5,342. So as I said, short-term positions, we can see the targets of 4,600 when we enter at 4,300. The next target would be 5,000. The next target would be 5,300. And if we are ready to invest or keep our position for at least 1 year to 15 months, we can see the next level coming up as 6,000 rupees. So there is potential opportunity to enter at 4,300 and wait for 6,000. It is almost more than 2,000 rupees gain per share in KAYNES technology. The face value of KAYNES is 10 rupees, and the book value, it is trading at 5 times of its book value, that is 650 rupees approximately. The company is doing good. They are making good profits. Hopefully we will see once the era of uptrend is back on Nifty. Hopefully from the month of January we will see some upside in Nifty, and definitely it will also show some good impact on KAYNES. So if you are happy with the way of my thinking on different stocks and the sectors which I'm discussing on the channel, I would suggest you subscribe to my channel and keep exploring the new stocks. I keep posting my views on different sectors. If you are interested in getting views on your stock, comment in the comment section, and I will definitely share my views on next videos. Thank you for joining here, and I hope you will be supporting and watching my upcoming videos. Thank you very much, and have a nice time. Great investment. Thank you.